everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I have an 8-piece set of PolyGel from Yayoge. It's a glitter PolyGel, as you can read right here. And I'm going to swatch them out into nail sticks for you. And I will be using their nail liquid, which is their slip solution. I've been finding this working quite well for me. I just take a little bit, pour it into a little dish. You don't need a whole lot. You can always refill your dish. When I go off screen, I'll be tapping with my brush, I'll be tapping off any excess onto a makeup sponge. They have, I believe when I looked at their website, they have this available in a kit, currently sold out. They also have all the tubes individual. The kit has a PolyGel brush, their poppets, base coat, top coat, everything that you need, and a little lamp, which I would recommend getting a bigger lamp if you're going to do it a lot. The little lamp is great to get started with. So I just want to swatch these out so that I can see what they look like and you can see what they look like. Win-win for everybody. So let's first see, this one is called Pro White. I wrote the name on a little label. Let's just see how firm or soft it is. Remember, PolyGels, when it's cooler out, they do tend to be firmer than they normally are. And me being a weakling, everything's firm to me. I believe it's like 70 degrees in my room. And this is, I would say, medium firm. Let's see. It feels soft when I'm patting on it. Not like too soft. I would say medium firm. Be a fair way to say it. It seems to be pretty easy to use. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. That is gorgeous. I'm going to try my usual 60-second cure in my lamp that I show in the pictures. And we'll see how they cure. That is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I'm tempted to go all the way down with it. Number 2. Oh, these are also the 30 milliliter net weight tubes. They last for 24 months from the time that you open them. It has all their ingredients. They definitely were all sealed. I popped them open just so that I could have an easier time of things. Oh, this one's called Laser Silver. This looks holographic. Oh my goodness. It's a little hard for me to get it out of the tube with my weak hands, but it's really easy to manipulate once it's in the swatch stick. So I may just need to use my little tube squeezers, but it's not very bad. May not have warmed up. If your PolyGel's thick and it's from the temperature, just put it in a cup of warm water, the tube, and let it sit. That is stunning. Imagine those nails you can get with that. Number 3 is called Pink. Stunning pink. Oh my goodness. And this is number 4 from Yayoge. Now they did send these to me just so I could share them with you. 4 is called Red. Let's see what red looks like. Ooh, I can see it already. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, this is stunning. It's a clear PolyGel with red, gorgeous glitters in it. Oh, I'm loving them all. It's not taking much slip solution at all. Got a little crazy on that one. And the slip does not smell like anything at all. I'm like totally surprised at how advanced these slip solutions are coming. Doesn't even smell like alcohol. Remember, this is only one pretty thin coat. If you made a whole nail out of it, it would be a little bit more glittery goodness. This is number 5, Gold. So while you're watching people's videos, since Yayoge did send this to me, I'm certain that they're going to be watching this video. Go ahead and comment. Don't be afraid to comment what you would like to see in a product, like if it's a gel polish video, what you'd like to see in gel polish, polygels, what you'd like to see in polygels. Do you like them firm? Do you like them soft? I particularly would like it a little bit softer than this one, but then again, it could be that it was 70 degrees in here. I didn't bother with the warm cup of water trick, but let the companies know if you like. Do you like clear polygels? Do you like pink polygels? Do you like them colored? If you've had a problem with their particular polygel, since this is a polygel video, I just go with all the polygel things. Be sure to just let them know, and also email them back when you buy something online. Send them an email, let them know your thoughts. It never hurts to send a company your thoughts on a product. So feel free to comment your favorite colors out of here. If you don't like glitter, comment that. But I'm loving them all. That's number 5, Gold. This is number 6, called Purple. So let's take a look. You can already see the color coming out of the This is number 7, Blue. And don't forget, I do have a discount code at yayoge.com. It'll get you 10% off, and right now I saw they're having some amazing sales going on. I mean, 2 years ago you wouldn't have believed you could get polygel for under $50. Here we are with all these great colors. The color listed on their site is Laser Pink. Now this one is actually their pink polygel with some amazing glitters inside. I think it's their light pink or pink. You'd have to go back to, I have to go back to one of my swatching videos to see. This is actually a colored PolyGel. We'll get them out and compare them all after they're cured as well. Cured in 1 minute in my lamp. Try to show you over top of white. They're all gorgeous. Do you have a favorite amongst these? White. I love them all. This one just has the color in the body as well. I like that a lot. I like them all. I could see really mixing several of these up for Christmas, for New Year's nails. Oh my goodness, I could see it. I can see a lot of possibilities with these. So let me try to see if I can get these, some pictures in the daylight. If I can get them out of the sticks, I will do so and try to wear them and show you what they would look like against what my skin tone looks like, just for an idea. Thank you, Yayoge, for sending these to me. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Have a great day, everyone. I really appreciate every single minute you watch, every comment. Leave a comment down below, and I would like to do a quick mention to some of my notification squad, as I call them. I'll put pictures of them up on the screen. The people that come in and comment the first few comments on my videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. I really love my YouTube family. I really, really do. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.